Hello again, a new day, a new project, a new experiment. And let me show you something. A while ago, my beloved Electrovoice ND767 got ruined. You know, the wired microphone I'm usually using for my gigs, you know, playing vocals and so on. Instead of buying me a new one, because this model 767, it's not produced anymore, I found a replacement in a wireless HTU2, and here I have the receiver, which is Electrovoice R2 RE2, and you know, I took out the original capsule, the original microphone, let's say. This is a dynamic capsule. That's my ruined one. You see, I couldn't fix it. Somehow this guy now is in the air. And it should be so nice to have it working again, because it can be used for conferences, for talking, you know, for any other kind of activities. And why not? Maybe even singing. Trying to find a solution to this problem. I bought me 3 capsules from AliExpress, and these are supposedly SM58 capsules. Very cheap. No fancy stuff, just simple capsules. Okay, I already put some numbers here, 1, 2, and 3. And tonight I'm gonna hook this capsule one by one with the transmitter with HTU2, and we'll just check the quality of the recording. Here I have the receiver. My sound card is ready for signals. Okay, before anything else, let me hook the first capsule in here. So we have 2 wires. I already did that. I mean, preparing the wires. I have a plus and the minus. It's not hard to understand. These are dynamic microphones. All right, plus and minus. Obviously, I need a better mechanical approach for these guys. Okay, so everything is connected. Let me power on the transmitter, channel 5. I mean group 05 with channel 09. Do we have, oh yes, do we have signal? Oh yes, we have signal. I can hear myself in the loudspeakers. There we go. Oh yes, of course we have signal, and we can very well start recording. So this is test number 1 using a Behringer condenser microphone. That's a Behringer B1 from proximity, like 10 centimeters or something. Okay, I'm reading the text right now. Dynamic microphones are a popular choice for various audio recording and live sound application due to their durability, versatility, and ability to handle high sound pressure levels. These microphones utilize electromagnetic induction to convert sound waves into electrical signals, making them ideal for capturing vocals, instruments, and even loud sources like drums or quitter amplifiers. That was Behringer B1. Let's have capsule number 1, SM58 clone dynamic microphone, and I'm reading the text. Dynamic microphones are a popular choice for various audio recording and live sound application due to their durability, versatility, and ability to handle high sound pressure levels. That's enough. Okay, let's go to capsule number 2. Do we have signal? Hey, yeah. Hey. Yes, we have signal. Okay, this is SM58 clone capsule number 2. I'm reading the text. Dynamic microphones are a popular choice for various audio recording and live sound applications due to their durability, versatility, and ability to handle high sound pressure levels. Okay. That's number 2, and let's go for number 3. Number 3. There we go. Same story. Hey. So, SM58 capsule number 3, and I'm reading the text right now. Dynamic microphones are a popular choice for various audio recording and live sound application due to their durability, versatility, and ability to handle high sound pressure levels. And I have in between my stuffs another old, funny, dynamic capsule with a strange name, and this is a Taki. Mr. Taki, come on here. Let's see, or better say, let's hear the sound of Taki. I believe this is from a ruined karaoke system or something anyway. Oh, what's wrong with you, my dear friend? Yeah? Do we have sound here? Testing, of course. You know something, I'm not getting that into the microphone. I'm just coming like that, same levels. So this is Taki dynamic microphone, and I'm reading the text right now. Dynamic microphones are a popular choice for various audio recording and live sound application due to their durability, versatility, and ability to handle high sound pressure levels. Okay, that's the end of the test. Thank you. Power down. Unfortunately, I don't have an SM58 original, around here to have a clever compare or a clever test about that. But I'll bring an SM58 soon to have exactly the same text and to have exactly the same speech, recorded, and then we can have for sure a kind of compare in between clones and originals. And okay, I'm waiting your comments, of course, and if you find this useful, please like, please subscribe, and most of all, have fun. Bye bye.